Ever since I made this pattern, Alva, I've had this vision of creating it in monochrome different textures. And I think the yarn industry has finally caught up with me. So I am gathering, not my typical color though, I'm not a beige person, but I think this will be beautiful. I'm gathering this different kinds of fluffy, shiny, soft, glittery, a bit mixed, sequined, boucle, mohair, tweed, and then regular white, not my typical color. And at the end, in case it gets too dull, I have this glittery variegated sock yarn and a bit of a color variation in the fluffy. So now it's just time to put together the different textures at the different levels, and I'm really looking forward to this. Would you join me in making a different textured Alva?